guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have bring something very interesting for you, and it is the most requested video as some of my friends, relatives, family members have asked me to show some affordable eyeshadow palettes, and today I have bring this for you. This is from the SRF color mini breaker palette, and you can buy this directly from Cuffs and Lashes, and it has a very good color payoff, very good pigmentation. I can show you that it has a shimmer shade. See, it has a very good pigmentation. I have created this look by using this palette only, and if you want to create this look, then you have to watch this video till the end, and please keep watching.
On my lips, here I am using
Nykaa matte lipstick. This is my final finished look. But not the least, personally I love this palette a lot because it has very much pigmentation, it has very good color payoff, and its colors are very much pigmented, especially the shimmer ones are pigmented. You need to build those colors according to your choice, and I will give this eyeshadow palette link in my description box. Please to have a look, and I hope you like this look and I hope you love this video. Then please give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you and have a good day.